In this video, we are going to see how we can disable or turn off annoying text to speech. So whatever people are writing, it is reading it out loud, and this is so frustrating. Here's how you can disable this. First of all, just click on the user settings on the bottom left. So basically, if they are using or posting the hashtag TTS forms or in the form of that, here's how you can completely disable that. And just scroll all the way down to the section of accessibility in the app settings. From here, just scroll all the way down to the bottom section where it says text to speech, allow playback and usage of TTS commands. Just disable that, toggle that off. And just click on the chats as well. Wherever in this section it says text to speech, just make sure that you disable that. And that should be it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.